welcome back to Jason's Acoustic Workshop, and this is part 4 in the series where I show you the equipment that I use when I do live shows. Now we're still on the effects. We're going to do the other half, number 14 through 25 of the Behringer Europower PMP 2000D. Now for these here you have to turn up the effects. You have to turn them, I turn them all the way up, that way you can hear what they sound like. Okay? So we're going to start off with number 14. Alright, this is detune. Here we go.
Check. Check 1, 2. That's a little bit weird. Detune. Let's see if we can raise it up or down. Oh, it's at 99. Let's bring it down here. Bring it down, down. Oh, that's not good. Down. Okay, bring it back up again. There we go. Bring the effects down just a little bit. It's a detune. You can hear it. You can hear it. Alright. Number 15 is going to be pitch. So let's do pitch. Go to 15. Check. Ooh. Hey. Look at that. There's the pitch. Now,
We're going to go for a real low voice.
check. Check, 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 check. 1, 2. Check. I guess if you're going to be doing, if you're going to be doing, I can't really do that too good. If you can be doing thrash metal,
If you're going to do thrash metal, that's probably the best way to do it, is to detune your voice so you don't destroy your throat.
so this is the detune. Number 15, up, up. Go here, 11, 10, 1, 2, 5, 9, 12. It goes all the way to 12. Very nice. Okay.
Let's go to chorus. Alright, chorus is number 16. We'll go to 16, push that.
Check 1, 2. Oh yes, I can hear the chorus. It kind of gives it more of a cleaner sound, sharper, kind of a sharper sound. Let's raise it up a little bit here. Oh, it's as high as it goes. Number 9. Bring it down. Oh, bring it down. There we go, to 9. So you just have to play with that one. It's not really much. It may be a subtle type of effect, but if you want to use it like on your guitar to kind of give it more of a sharper sound, you can do that. Alright, number 17 is a flanger. So let's try that. 17. Okay, this is number 1. We're going to go down. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2. There we go. Check 1, 2. Ooh, a low flange. Now go to a higher flange. Oh wait, 17. Up, number 9. Check 1, 2. Check. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check 1. Now you have to adjust.
You're going to have to adjust your settings for your effects. Right here, these orange. This is for your monitor. This is for your main. And of course, these are for the individual tracks. Now, I have this all the way up so you can hear it. I don't use it all the way up like that. But that way you can just hear the flange. Okay? Let's put it back on.
Check 1, 2. Ooh. Hey, if you want to use it,
Go ahead and use it.
I wouldn't use it, but hey, it's up to you. Alright.
Number 18 is your phaser. This is going to be interesting. Alright, 18. Go to there.
Check. Oh, let's bring that down. Bring that down. I'll bring the effects down a little bit. There we go. Check 1, 2, 3. That's as far as it goes. Phaser, I don't know about that. It doesn't sound any different than, oh, there it is. You can hear it a little bit. You can hear it here. Let me bring this down. That's what's causing it. Bring that up. Can you hear it now? Check 1, 2. Oh. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. So, oh, yeah. You have to,
I guess you really can't get too much of an effect with phaser. But hey, you know, some effects are better than others. So the next one we're going to do tremolo. So let's see how that sounds. Number 19. Number 19. That.
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Let's see here. 9. Check 1, 2. Check. Check 1, 2. Doesn't do much for tremolo. Let me bring this up here. Check 1, 2. Check. 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 Oh, you can hear it. But it's very, very, very sensitive. Very sensitive. So it'd probably be good for your guitar. I mean, you can also control the speed, I think. Let's see. Do it really slow. Yes.
So you really have to turn that one up in order to get the tremolo voice. It might be better for your guitar. Okay? Now, number 20 is your panner. You're probably not going to get too much being I'm only using one speaker, but we're going to try it anyway. So number 20, click on that. Let's get it down to, let's see what it goes down to. It goes to -9 and to 9. So let's start with 1.
Okay. Alright, I don't see much of a difference. But let's bring it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. I don't hear much, but let's turn up the effects here. Nope. Don't hear anything. I don't know. Maybe if you do it in a live setting with a louder sound, you might hear it. The pan is supposed to be basically going from your right speaker to your left speaker and so on and so on. Kind of give it kind of a stereo whirling sound. Okay? Alright. Now, that's it for the modulation. Let me turn this off here.
That's it for the modulation. So we're going to go to the combination effects. And I'm going to pan in, just zoom in just a little bit. Let me bring this down and we'll zoom in. That way you can see. Okay. Alright, there we go. The combination effects. Number 21 is your delay and reverb. Okay, so we're going to turn to the right. There where it's blinking, and press it, and you got it. Bring that down a little bit.
Check 1. Check 1. Ooh. I don't know. I like this. Check. Check 1. Check 1. That's nice. That's nice. If I ever have to use delay, then I'll use it. But I just use reverb. It's totally up to you. Alright.
Next we have chorus and reverb. So we're going to go to 22. There's that.
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. I don't know what kind of reverb. It might be your room reverb or your chamber reverb. Not much. Just a little bit, just to kind of offset a little bit. Plus you have your chorus, which kind of gives you, like I said, a cleaner, sharper sound. Alright. Number 23 is your pitch and reverb. 23. Oh, wait. 23.
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check. Alright, well, you can see, I'm not sure it's a musical. Yeah, brings it down. Very nice.
Yeah. I like that. That's really good. Really good. You can hear the reverb in there. The reverb really kind of gives it that scary sound.
Alright, that was good. It gives kind of a scary sound. So, you have, next is 24. You have chorus and delay. Click on that.
Check 1, 2. So you got delay, and you have some chorus in there to kind of clean it up. So, and like I said, you
You have the tap right here, so you can tap and get your speed if you want a fast delay or you want a slow delay. Alright, last one is 25, which is your flanger and delay. 25, push.
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Oh, I like that. Check 1, 2. I don't know when I would use it, but I'm sure that somebody, whoever you are out there, will probably use this effect for some reason. I mean, some of the songs nowadays are really strange anyway. So we have flanger and delay. Okay, what happened to the delay? Oh, there it is. You can hear it. It's still out there just a little bit. We go, let's see, down. See, so what it does,
when you go down, it already has a set effect level. So if you turn it all the way up to 9, you're going to get more flange. If you turn it back down to -9, you're going to get more delay. That's on the combination. I'm sure it's the same with the delay and reverb and the chorus and reverb and the pitch and reverb. So what you saw with the pitch, that was a great effect. So that's the 25 effects that are on this Behringer Europower PMP 2000D. So in part 5 of this series, we're going to show you the guitar pedal that I use. It's a pedal that is used for acoustic guitar, and it's very, very simple to operate. I usually don't use any type of amp. Like if you're playing like an electric guitar, you can have an amp powered in, then there's a mic that connects it to the mixer. The way I do it is I have this guitar pedal, and the guitar pedal hooks right into channel 2, and it comes right out the monitor. And being that it's just me playing, I don't need to have anybody else's voice in the monitor. So it can have the guitar going and the voice going at the same time. You don't need an amp. If you want to get an amp and play through it, that's your choice. I usually just go right through the guitar pedal. Alright? So, this is Jason's Acoustic Workshop. I'm Jason. Please subscribe to my channel. I see people have been, and I'm very, very grateful for it. If you can support this channel, just go to the upper right hand corner, I believe, and just click on the link there. It's a PayPal. Just whatever you want to give. If you can, that's great. If not, if you can't do that, then just subscribe. Subscribe really helps me. Okay? So, we'll see you in part 5. You take care of yourself.